Guys, so I know it's been a fucking minute. It's actually just been a couple of weeks, but as you last saw, I was working on the sedan. Dyed my hair, whatever. There's some stuff that's gone on. We're in our new ride right now. Boom, bitch. All-wheel drive fucking wagon. Hyped as fuck. Lots coming for this thing. Maybe, we'll see. A lot of work to do. But I'm fucking stoked! We're driving home right now in the Wago. Right now, coming over the hill, we're supposed to have snow tires. MS rated fucking tires, not like fucking all seasons. And right now, I got some bald ass fucking just shit. Cracked fucking shit. So, wish me luck that I don't get fucking pulled over and get a VI or whatever. Who knows what they're gonna fucking do. Wish me luck. Got my fingers crossed. So, we made it home yesterday fine over the Malahat. Luckily. But there was a couple issues with the car that I already knew about. But picked up some parts on the way home. So, it's a new day. I didn't pick them up on my own. Picked them up on my lunch break. Valve cover gasket, thermostat. Got a couple other parts I need, but starting with those today, and we'll do the rest later. To start off, we're gonna undo 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, 4. And then we'll undo that, and that is all. And then we'll pop the bitch off. So, it's kind of terrible how I have to film this because I need my ratchet. Four. What are we doing with the pliers? Okay, there we go. So I'm going to pull that off. Might as well undo this bolt here. Get it out of the way. Don't forget that ground. Don't forget to put that back on. Otherwise you will have problems. Alright, well, that's pretty yucky in there. Usually, wow, that actually looks pretty fucking decent. I just don't know if it was installed right. Like, that actually looks like a really good fucking, it's kind of hard, but maybe it's cheap. You can see, fuck. So let's clean that up. Got some gasket sealer and new gasket, new top pieces. Ooh, they even have the new metals. That's awesome. New spark plug gasket there. So, clean that up, and then we'll mount all this shit. Don't need to do that, but got you guys mounted up there a little bit. Hopefully you can see what's going on here a bit better as I work. I'm just really hoping the memory card doesn't run out of juice. If it does, I'm sorry, guys. Pretty much all I'm doing is that. Then we'll be doing the thermostat over there. So we'll have to drain a bit of the coolant. Hello!
Ah, you scared the shit out of me.
I
I have no idea what the password is.
Well, you probably don't want to watch all this, so I'll show you the end result here. perfect. But I fucking crushed all the bristles on my brush, so I'm calling her there. I'm happy anyways. So we're gonna dry it off and put the new gasket on. Shit the bucket. Doesn't want to do anything, so I don't know what I got from the video of the fucking valve cover gasket. So it's on there. It's the sealer's on. I'm just putting on these fucking stupid little rubber things. Rear ones don't seem to want to fucking fit. I don't know if those rear ones are gonna go on. They look a lot bigger than these ones. So maybe we'll use the old rear ones, I guess. Look at the fucking difference in thickness. Like, what the fuck? That makes no fucking sense, but apparently it does make sense. So it's getting cold out. Four nuts and a bolt. And then a tube. So now thermostat. So hopefully this isn't too hot. Well, the coolant looks good, so that makes me happy. I can probably reuse it if I can manage to fucking save it somehow. But old one's out. New one is about to go in. It is dark. Just refilled the fucking coolant. So we'll fire it up, get all the bubbles out of the coolant here. Oh, you know, it just came with a fucking stock ass fucking lettuce, cheese. Or no, lettuce, chicken, and mayo sandwich. And then I fucking modded it, dude. Put some fucking ranch and some fucking chips. Fucking hella mods, dude. So today we are back at the shop. We are currently going to work on the wagon. I got a couple little things here I wanted to do. Because it's nice out and this is kind of my only chance. I kind of need warm weather. It's like 12 maybe, probably lower now. But so this is what I want to do. As you can see, the rims look like shit. So I wanted to take these off and sand them down and re-fucking paint them. Because if those look nice white, just imagine how better they. Okay, so. Whoa, I just fucking fell. It was backing up. Jesus Christ. Watch where you're fucking walking, guys. The car will be on jack stands right after this. Car is on stands. Now, wheels off. And the wheels are off. So we're just gonna get started on these right quick here, but quickly. I'm just gonna kind of go over everything underneath here. Don't need new pads in the front. Everything looks clean in the rears. This pad's a little bit more worn down. So maybe I will do pads in the front. And rotors too. Those, why won't I focus? Jesus. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to do while I was here is I really wanted to wash the car. Because, like, it is fucking dirty. Also, I seen some kid last night and he was checking it out and he pointed out to me that it definitely had, like, pinstripes. Super funny. I wonder if they came onto the hood at all. You don't see them at all. Whatever. Well, I'm going to get to these. So I'm going to sand them down a little bit and paint them. This one's all scuffed up. These are plastic. So it's harder to paint, you know? Not harder to paint, but it's harder to sand and make look good. We'll see what we're going to do. So here we are, we're all set up. Usually I use like fucking playing cards or something, but we had all these from previous rims. Both cars that aren't here, but yeah. So got that, got my paint. Gonna send the first coat on these rims, get it going. I didn't tape the valve stems. Fuck. I said fuck it because I was gonna get new tires and I got new valve stems at the same time, but I think I'm just going to for temporary anyways. So I'm gonna do that quick. I have to tape the H's on those and we're gonna get going. Taped up there. I chose this shit because it's a paint and primer in one, and I love the nozzle. Just great. So you guys are gonna see right here. I'll probably film spraying one and then, you know, go from there. One quick coat and fuck, it already looks so good. All right, we'll go from here.
Locked in my room, 4 black walls, tied the noose, no recall, no result, fuck withdraw, rather shoot up till I fall. Murder on call with the 5-9, 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline, bodies fucking set at dinner every nighttime. Smoking that dope off the floor, let me go.
Alright, so this is what I'm up against. It's not even 5 and it's already starting to get dark, so I just filled up the water bucket. Go around and pick up all my lug nuts here. I can't grab them all. Just put them right fucking there. Because I don't really need to film this. I got my water bucket. I'm gonna start washing this beach. Maybe I should have waited till the weekend because it is already dark. And it's fucking been 20 minutes since I last said. Those are looking pretty nifty. I got a couple runs. This one doesn't look too bad, but there's another one that had a couple runs. These don't look too bad. I'm definitely gonna have to sand this one and do some filler in it or something, because I don't like those scratches. Well, car's on the ground. Hell, so you can't hardly tell. But if you want to see a good daylight shot, go to our Street Urchin Instagram. I'll just fucking probably posted a photo right before this video goes up, so go check it out. Peace.